This is the skill of the ultimate backhand. Our cue words for this are going to be step across your body, thumb on flight rings, so you can see the thumb on the flight rings, step across the body, pull your elbow, and flick the wrist. So I'll do a little demonstration of that right now. Thumb on the flight rings, step across the body, pull elbow, and flick wrist. Just like that. A teaching tip for the ultimate backhand is to make sure students are flicking their wrist hard enough. If the disc kind of wobbles in the air, that means they probably need to flick their wrist a little harder to generate more spin. And a common mistake is either not flicking the wrist hard enough or not stepping across the body. This is important in ultimate because it creates separation from the defender. So I'll give one more example of the throw with the cue words. So the thumb is on the flight rings, step across the body, pull elbow, and flick the wrist.